Standard 2nd, Maths, Chapter number 4, Subtraction of 2-digit numbers. Ankur has 34 marbles. He gives 11 marbles to his friend. How many marbles are left with Ankur? We shall do this subtraction here. Now here 34 marbles is with Ankur and 11 marbles he is giving to his friend. So here how they have done, see, 4 minus 1 means you have 4 and from that you have to cut 1. So how many remain? 3. So here we have written 3 and here 3 is there, from that 3 is there and from that 1 we have to do minus. So how many remain? 2. So because of that we have written here 2. So Ankur is left with 23 marbles. When we subtract, we simply take away of minus. The answer of the subtraction is called the difference. We will say the difference of this sum. Now 8 minus 4. Now you have total 8 and from that you have to do minus 4. So if you don't know, then what you have to do? You have to do line. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and from that you have to do cut 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many remain? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have to write here 4 and these 3 will remain as it is 3. Now 9 minus 5. I am showing you this another method, that 9 minus 5. So what you have to do? After 5 you have to speak till 9. 5 after 6, 7, 8 and 9. So how many? 4. So we will write here 4 and here it will come 1. Now 9 minus 5 again. 9 minus 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 4 is coming. So here we will write 4 and 4 minus 2. 4 is there and from that we have to cut minus 2. So how many remain? 2 remain. So we will write here 2. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 means 3 after we have to speak. 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here it will come 4 and 2 minus 1, 1. 5 minus 0, as it is 5, because whenever you are doing subtraction any number with 0, then the answer will remain itself the same number. Now 3 minus 1, 2. 8 minus 6. 6 after 7 and 8. So we have to write here 2 and 7 minus 6. So we will write here 1. Now 7 minus 2. 7 after means 2 after we have to speak till 7. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here it will come 5 and 8 minus 3. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again we will write here 5. Now 3 minus 1. 3 is there, from that 1 cut we will do, then we will remain 2. So here 2 and 5 minus 3. 5 is there and from that we have to cut 3. So how many remain? 2. So this exercise we have completed. I hope that you understand this. Now I am taking second word problem. Here in word problem you have to read this word problem and you have to understand that actually what they wants to tell. And after that we have to solve. Out of 46 students in a class, 22 are boys. Means total how many students are there in the class? 46. And from that how many boys are there? 22 boys are there. Then how many girls are there in the class? इसमें ये बोला गया है कि टोटल 46 स्टूडेंट्स है क्लास के अंदर, उसमें से 22 बॉयज़ है, तो गर्ल्स कितनी है वो फाइंड करने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? माइनस. सो 6 minus 2. 2 after 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here it will come 4 and 4 minus 2. 2 after 3 and 4. So here it will come 2. So there are 24 girls in the class. 34 birds are sitting on a tree. 20 flew away. How many birds are still sitting on the tree? Means 34 birds है टोटल और वो ट्री पे बैठे हैं, उसमें से 20 उड़ गए, तो कितने बचे वो लिखना है. तो 34 माइनस 20. 4 माइनस 0 भी मैंने बोला था आपको कि इफ़ यू विल डू सब्ट्रैक्शन विथ एनी नंबर विथ 0 देन द आंसर विल remains as it is, means 4. And 3 minus 2, 1. So here it will come 1, 4, 14. Now subtraction properties. Subtracting 0. As I told you that if you will take any number and you have to subtract 0 from a number, we get the same numbers. As 32 is given, from that we have done minus 0, then 32 will remain as it is 32. Now 95 minus 0, then also 95. We subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number. See here. Now second number subtracting itself. If you will subtract any number with same number, then you will get 0. See, 19 minus 19, 0, and 28 minus 28 is also 0. When we subtract a number from itself, we get 0. Now subtracting 1 means whatever number it is given, from that if you will do minus 1, then you will get the number whatever it is coming before, means 67 before which number it is coming, 66. See here, when we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number just before the given number. So 92 before what it is coming, 91. So 92 minus 1 if you will do, then you will get 91. Now subtracting consecutive number. Consecutive means 49 minus 48, 54 minus 53. Then we will get only 1. See here, the difference between any two consecutive numbers is always 1. Now here exercise is there, fill in the blanks. 7 minus 0. As I told you here before, that if you will subtract 0 from any number, we will get the same number. So 7 minus 0, then you will get as it is 7. Now 43 minus dash is equals to 42. So how many you will do? 43 minus 1. Then you will get 42. 38 minus 38 means you are subtracting both same numbers. Then you will get here 0. Now 77 minus 0, then you will get 77. Now here this is the consecutive. See, minus 1 is there. So 45. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा 46 minus 1. Then you will get 45. So here it will come 46. 99 minus dash is equals to 99. So 99 में से हम 0 कट करेंगे तो 99. Now 74 minus 73. This is consecutive number. So what we will get? 1. And 85 minus dash is equals to 1. 85 minus, this is also consecutive. So 85 minus 84, then you will get 1.